how to log in to your Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to Netflix on your phone in just a few seconds. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Netflix app on your phone, and here once you are inside the app, then you can just tap on the sign in button which can be seen at the top right corner of the screen. So here you just have to tap on it, and once you are on the login screen, now here at the top you just have to tap on the first tab, and here you have to enter your email address. So here simply enter the email address, and once you're done entering the email address, you simply have to enter the password. And once you're done entering the password, then you can just tap on the sign in button and you'll be logged in to your Netflix account. But here, just in case if you forgot your password, then you can just tap on forget password option, and after that you simply have to follow the prompts to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your Netflix account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.